And now I want to talk about another common type of device, which is panic alarm, panic button. It's double push, and double push is for a reason, because it's some old one. It's very simple inside. It's almost nothing there. If you look, I just opened that. Some screw came out. There's a tiny magnet in there. It works more or less like a contact, like this type of contact, because it has a reed. See that glass here? That's the same glass with connector kind of responding to magnetic field is in this. It's exactly the same, just it's naked there. So basically that's your alarm output, and when you're pushing that, you're pushing that magnet. So when you're pushing, you're getting away that magnet from that, because it's like that, and that way you trigger alarm. So if I push it back now, usually you do this with the key. So it's like that. There's a green. If I push it, it goes red. It's kind of some sticker basically under the. Very simple. There's a couple of two springs, some simple mechanism, and that's your alarm. And tamper will be, depending on the device, tamper will be somewhere. Could be a spring, could be something else. But the function is very basic. When you have to press 2. If you press 1, it won't trigger. So you can press 1 as much as you want. Then press another one as much as I want, nothing happens. To press 2 to trigger it, because then this thing moves. I push it back again. I'm pushing 1, nothing happens. Pushing 1, nothing happens. I push 2, and that magnet moving away from that, causing disconnection. So this contact no longer is closed. Opens, alarm goes off, and the police arrives, if it's connected. I mean, if the alarm is monitored and signal goes to monitoring station. So that's what it's a panic alarm. Commonly used in all kinds of retail units, in shops, in houses, beside the keypad, in the bedroom, everywhere. Obviously in banks. Anywhere where people can feel unsafe, to be robbed, attacked one way or another. That's just small, modern version, more elegant of the same. Inside is exactly the same. It has a key with which you reset it. So if I take out this key, different makes will have different keys. It says it's green. If I press it, it's red, so it's triggered now. If you press 1, nothing happens. You have to press 2, and you can reset it. So again, it's a very simple device, but very necessary in alarm systems. I cannot imagine actual alarms without it. Wiring is, as I explained, exactly the same. So you have a tamper, you have alarm, you put 2 resistors. If you're doing dual end of line, if you disconnect, this panel will see those 2 resistors, it goes off. If this is connected, I mean it's not pressed, panel will see only this resistor. If there's a tamper, so either you open that or you cut the cable, panel will see open circuit and will go into alarm, tamper alarm. And that's all. Thank you.